So in this video, we're going to review the Acasis Docking Station DS0801. But actually, this will be more of a tutorial-based review, so stay tuned and watch until the end to get a complete guide on how to use it. First, connect the USB Type-C cable from the docking station to your computer. Then, connect the video cable between the monitor and the docking station. If there is no signal, set the monitor's input source to the corresponding interface. Once that's done, power on the monitor. Now, right-click on the desktop and open Display Settings. The numbers represent the connected displays. If you see one vertical bar 4, it means displays 1 and 4 are currently mirroring each other. Click Identify to display the number of each monitor in the lower right corner. This makes it easier to adjust the monitor positions. Click Duplicate Desktop on 1 and 4, then change it to Extend Desktop on 1 and 4. This separates displays 1 and 4, meaning they are now working as extended displays instead of mirrored displays. Click Keep Changes when you're done. Click Identify again to confirm each monitor's number. Then, set Extend Desktop on displays 2 and 3. Click Keep Changes once you're finished. By default, Windows may arrange the displays in the wrong order, so you'll need to adjust them to match their actual physical positions. If a monitor is in the wrong position, simply click and hold the left mouse button, then drag it to its correct location. Once everything is arranged properly, click Apply. If your primary monitor isn't the one you want, you can scroll down and select Make this my main display. Here, I've set monitor 2 as the primary display for demonstration purposes. Normally, monitor 1 is my primary display, so I'll switch it back afterward. Next, let's adjust the monitor resolution and refresh rate. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. Select the monitor you want to configure, then choose the refresh rate you prefer. Next, click Display Adapter Properties for display. Under the Monitor tab, you can adjust the refresh rate, or click List All modes to choose the resolution and refresh rate combination you want. Click OK to save the settings, then click Keep Changes. Here you can see the refresh rate has changed from 165 Hz to 60 Hz, confirming that the setting has been applied successfully. Here are some additional instructions you should follow. Now let's move on to the Mac OS setup. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, then open System Settings and click Displays. Here, each monitor is represented individually. By default, the monitors connected through the docking station may mirror the same image. Click the display settings to choose whether you want each monitor to mirror or extend your desktop. Select Stop Mirroring to switch to Extended mode. Click Arrange to view all connected monitors and adjust their positions to match your actual setup. Click Hide Dynamic Range or the Display Resolution section to view all available resolutions. Then, select the one you want. Scroll down to find the refresh rate settings and choose the desired refresh rate. Repeat the same process for the other monitors. Here are some additional instructions you should follow. Now let's talk about charging with the docking station. It's recommended to use a 100-watt PD 3.0 charger for the best charging performance. Once connected, the charging icon should appear on your computer, confirming that charging is working properly. Here are some charging instructions you should follow. Next is peripheral access. After connecting all your devices, open this PC and check whether your storage drives are detected properly. If only one drive appears and the others aren't recognized, open Disk Management to see if they're detected there. Check whether the drive appears as an unallocated disk. If the disk is detected but doesn't appear in this PC, it's usually because no partition has been created. To fix this, you'll first need to delete the existing volume and create a new partition. This process will erase all data on the drive, so make sure you've backed up your files before proceeding. Right-click the drive, create a new simple volume, then click Next. Format the drive using the exFAT file system for better compatibility. Complete the setup, then open this PC and press F5 to refresh. The drive should now appear and be ready for normal use. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.